Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Applebee's honey pepper sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for being here. I appreciate you joining us today from whatever platform you're watching us on. Like I said, we're going to be making Applebee's honey pepper sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We've got 3/4 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of pineapple juice, juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Let's start mixing it up. All right, of course, get a bowl big enough for the ingredients. We're going to start with our honey. Pour that right on in. Brown sugar, lemon juice, soy sauce, lemon juice, vinegar, and our peppers. Give this a nice stir. All right, there we go. I got some chicken strips. We're going to put those on a plate with a little bit of the sauce, and then we're going to give it a taste. Don't go away. Chicken strips are pretty good sized ones, but this sauce, I'm telling you, I had a little bite of it while I was taking the pictures. Sweet, that pepper is burning my lips, but boy, it's good with that. You got the honey, the brown sugar, the lemon juice kicks it with that acid. And a little bit of that saltiness from and the umami from the soy sauce. And the vinegar helps cut it. But that honey just keeps singing right through the whole thing. And then that pepper comes in and just bites you. But it's not overwhelming or painful. It's a pleasant mixture of both. But yeah, it'd be good with a glaze. Or should I say as a glaze on the wings. Could have even thrown a little bit on all these chicken strips and baked them off for just a little bit longer to get it to set, but then we'd have a real mess. But this is really good. Applebee's honey pepper sauce. Hope you enjoy it. Recipe is down in the description box. Give it a try, you won't regret it. See you later. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from